The first time you go on your site, record your latitude and longitude coordinates using a global positioning system, or GPS, so that your site can be geo-referenced. As a Marcellus monitor, you'll know your stream better than anyone else. If possible, take a year worth of baseline visual observations so that you know if something's out of the ordinary once drilling begins. The main characteristics that you are looking for with visual assessment are earth disturbances, spills and discharges, methane migration, and illegal dumping. When you go through the checklist, if you notice anything out of the ordinary, take a picture and follow the visual assessment decision tree. It is important that you enter downstream and walk upstream to your monitoring spot so you don't kick up any sediment. Test conductivity and total dissolved solids of the water. Refer to the meter video if you're unclear how to do this. This protocol encourages you to measure the cross-sectional area of the water volume to establish a relationship between volume of water and your TDS and conductivity values. The width of the stream is measured from where the water meets the stream bank, or water's edge to water's edge. The first time you go out, it'll take a bit longer because you need to find a spot that you can come back to that closely represents the average depth of the stream. We do this by taking depth measurements every foot across the stream and averaging the results. Then find a place that seems to match this depth that you can come back to each week. The surrogate flow is width multiplied by the average depth. It is important to consistently go to the same location in the creek to take your surrogate flow measurements. It is important to record all of your data and observations. Using the chemical monitoring datasheet, record the weather and anything else unusual about the conditions. Then record the conductivity and TDS in the datasheet. Water samples only need to be taken twice a year for quality assurance quality control, or QA/QC, and then if you notice anything out of the ordinary as well. Once again, enter the stream downstream of your monitoring spot. Rinse the bottle 3 times with creek water, and then reach down with the bottle near the bottom of the stream and bring it up at an angle so that you get the whole water column. If it is too cold or the stream conditions are treacherous, then it may be best to use an extension pole. These can be made rather inexpensively for about $30. Once again, remember to always rinse the bottle 3 times with the stream water. Another possibly easier method would be to get the water sample directly from the bridge. You can take the sample directly from the creek or use a bucket to pull the water up, but remember to rinse your bucket and the sample bottles 3 times.